Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make microwave macarons. Start by sifting almond flour and powdered sugar into a bowl, then whip egg whites to soft peaks with a pinch of salt. Gently fold dry ingredients into the whites using a spatula until the batter ribbons. Transfer batter to a piping bag and pipe consistent one. 5-inch rounds onto parchment, then let them rest briefly before microwaving. Whip egg whites until soft peaks form, then gradually add powdered sugar while beating gently. Sift almond flour and fold it into the whites with slow, controlled turns to keep air in the batter. Look for a ribbon texture that slowly falls off the spatula. Stop mixing then. Transfer the smooth, glossy batter into a piping bag fitted with a 1 cm tip and prepare to pipe uniform rounds on parchment for microwaving. Place the piped rounds on a microwave-safe plate lined with parchment and microwave on medium power in 20 to 30-second bursts, checking after each burst. Rotate the plate if your microwave has hot spots, and stop once shells feel dry to the touch but not browned. Allow the shells to cool completely so they set and form feet, then pair similar-sized shells and add your choice of filling between them for the finished macaron.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.